Top 10 lessons learned from the book You Can Heal Your Life. First one, the root cause of the problem. So, what is the actual disease? The root and the most common problem is the fundamental belief that I am not good enough and lack of self love. Second, where do these beliefs come from? All these things and thinking come under us when we are very young and we get influenced by the people and adults around us. And as we grow, we tend to recreate our lives around these beliefs. So, how to change? The process of healing starts the moment we think about making a change. Here, author offers an exercise willing to change to identify the source which is not allowing you to change and use affirmation to let go that resistance. The fourth point is, are our beliefs even true? The first step to changing our lives is letting go of false and old beliefs. Beliefs like you can't do this because you are not good at it. Forgive yourself and others. Many people are stuck in the past and this prevents them from being in the present or planning for the future. All of this happens because they have a difficult time forgiving themselves or others. 6. Control your mind. Mind is the most important tool, and it's a kind of tool that you can use it in any way that you want. Controlling your mind lets you shape your thoughts and beliefs. Point 7. Listen to your body and health. We must learn to understand our body. What our body is trying to tell us about its disease and discomfort. Be focused on building the new. Try to bring positive and new change in your life. The most important thing about positivity or about learning to be positive is self-approval and self-acceptance. Holistic philosophy. Learn from your failures, never get disappointed. Always learn and grow. Try to gain knowledge and improve your mental strength. We have the power. No matter we live on the planet or how difficult our situation seems to be, we have the ability to overcome and transcend our circumstances.